So the main movement we're going to do is with your skull nodding, which will bring the back of your base of your skull and neck down to the floor. And that movement of the nodding of your head, the sliding of your skull along the floor, lowering the back of your neck to the floor, is going to open all the joint space at the back of your neck and decompress the area. Now, to help us along with this, you're going to take your hands and you're going to press down towards your feet. You're going to flex your toes up and you're going to press out. So you're going to do the rolling with your head, pressing through your hands and feet. And all you're going to do from here is hold and breathe. So on an in-breath, and then on an out-breath, you're going to press a little more with your hands and feet and roll a little farther with your head. And you should get the sense of the back of your neck going down to the floor. And then you're just going to let it go. Now, what you should notice is that when you're doing this, naturally your chest starts to rise up. So let's see if you can feel that on the next one. Breathe in. Exhale. Press through your hands and feet and nod your head. So you're feeling your head actually sliding up along the floor as you push your hands and feet away from your head. And you might feel the lifting of your chest up, so your spine is arching off the floor a bit. Breathe in and out again, holding. And deepen the position a bit. And then let it go. What you should feel is a bounce back. So when you let go of the position, your head nods back up, which means you actually moved your neck.